Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is in partnership with Luster's Pink, and I'm going to show you guys how to get this protective style using the newest by Luster's Pink, the Moisture Maintenance Collection. Now today from the Moisture Maintenance Collection, I'm going to show you how I incorporate the Repair and Strengthen Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion into my protective style. Now, I started off with dry, clean hair, and I'm gonna just begin working this throughout my hair. Now, let me tell you, I am a huge fan of Luster's Pink. So when they came out with this collection and I got to try it out for myself, these products are definitely worth trying. I can't wait to share with you guys about the gel. But we're going to stick on the topic at hand, and that is the Repair and Strengthen Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion. Now, a little bit about this product. It does have a plant protein in there, which is really good when it comes to penetrating the hair to replace the lost protein and help strengthen the hair. And as you can see the difference, one style is detangled and ready for styling, and I'm moving on to the other side. And although we are putting this on our hair, don't forget to massage it onto the scalp as well. One major thing that I love about this product is that it's lightweight, but it does the job in moisturizing the hair. Now, I did add an edge control to the roots of my hair, and that's just a preference. I like to have clean parts. And you guys have heard me talk about this edge control plenty of times before. It's by Luster as well, but it's in another collection, but I am going to add that into the description box so you guys can pick that up as well. Now, I did add some more lotion to my twist just to make sure that every strand got some loving. Now, if you want extra defined, juicy twist, you can, even though I don't think you will, but you can also go back into the Moisture Maintenance Collection and check out the gel, and I'm going to put that in the description box below. I can't wait to show you guys the style with that gel. But the lotion is the only thing that I'm using for the styler, which is why I am so like, wow, the style came out really good, and all I did was use a moisturizing lotion. And again, it's up to you if you want to add an edge control to your roots if you want really clean parts. I've seen some of the mini twists with the beads on, and some people did not add edge control to their roots. So if you don't want to do that and you just want to use the lotion instead, you can add some double prong clips to your roots, and that's going to help keep the twist in place and not to frizz up. So not only does the lotion have a plant protein, but it also has avocado oil and shea butter. So this is a good recipe to making sure that your hair stays moisturized. And since this is also great for split ends, and the fact that I'm adding rubber bands to, yeah, I am tired, by the way. Doing mini twists, it's been a long time since I've done them. So it is a lot of work, but the results are bomb. But again, the lotion is great for split ends, and because I'm adding rubber bands to the ends of my hair, I want to make sure my hair is good and ready to go for this protective style. Now, this little gadget that you see me use, and I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it before, I got it at the beauty supply store for like $1, and it just really helps to get my twist through the bead. So now I'm just going to fold up the remainder of my hair up to the first bead, and then I'm going to place a rubber band around it. And not too tight, because I want to make this easy when I get ready to take this style down. For my first try with beads, I am very proud of myself and how this style came out. It looks super juicy, it looks healthy, and the lotion, you guys, you have to try it out for yourself from the Moisture Maintenance Collection by Luster's Pink. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this style and you get the same results. And be sure to check out the description box to find out where you can get your hands on this new collection by Luster's Pink. And until next time, queens, thank you again for watching.